And today we're going to be checking out the Lumary permanent outdoor eave lights. That's right, these are the lights that you attach to your eave and they stay up year round, and they're RGB, so they change colors and they have automatic functions, so you can just switch the color for each holiday and you're always decorated and ready to go. So right now we are near the Christmas season, so I'm going to go ahead and install these on my eave and we're going to come back tonight and look at them. But first we're going to unbox everything so you can see what all you're going to get. So let's get to it. All right, so this is a box that they come in. You get 39 different lights. It's 65 feet long. And this box right here, you're gonna have your actual lights themselves. And you can see how these are strung. You just get all these little individual pods. They're super light. They contain the RGB and they have 3M stickers on the back. So it's a screwless install. You can just stick them to your eave. Very cool, very easy. Now on this side is going to be your power supply. You can see that you have your plug, your power supply, and this is also your controller. You can turn them off and on, and it's going to connect the lights to your phone app as well. But you're also going to get a remote control. And if you want to hold the wires up with clips, they have these clips with little nails in them, but they also have clips with 3M tape as well to make the wires nice and neat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stretch all this out. I'm going to install this on my eave, and then when it gets dark tonight, we're going to come back and check it out and go through all the functions and see just how good they look. So let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, so I got the lights put up. The installation was super easy. You can see where I put them along the eave here. They're coming underneath. I put them in my own custom mode for Christmas, which is red and green. They're blinking on camera, but they're not actually flashing in person. It must be a camera deal. And I have them plugged in right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back tonight and we're actually going to see how they look in the dark. So see you tonight. Okay, so night is upon us. I put these lights in Christmas mode because it is a Christmas season. I did design this mode myself with the app, which we'll look at in just a moment. But they also have other presets like flow. You can see how it's all controlled. Here comes the next color. Then you have a rainbow setting, which it just slowly rolls through the different colors. You have chase. Here comes the next color. This is RGBAI. Gradient. Jump. Breathing. Then you have a blink mode. Then we're going to go back to my Christmas one that I made up. Very cool. So they were super easy to put up. You can see they work quite well. I'm controlling with my phone in the front yard. It also can be controlled with a remote control as well. I don't know if you can see it, but here's the app. You can see Christmas is this one right here. Then you have flow, rainbow, back to Christmas. You can also come in and you can customize lights as well. So you can actually change and pick whatever color that you want, which is very neat. You can make them all white if you choose to, and basically pretty much choose any mood or any mode that you want. Here's the for the white settings, you just click right here and you can go either from bright white or to really warm. So they are good for all seasons and all holidays. And if you keep looking at the app, like this is the presets, but you can also edit these and make them your own, which is what I did. You can also set it for games, rhythm, romantic. It just has different basic presets for music. And then you have your timers that you can set. So very handy app, works quite well. And like I said, I had no issues putting them up. I just used two-sided tape. I didn't even use any of the clips or anything. And you can lay these up year round, so you can just change the colors per holiday or just use them for exterior lighting. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.